Well, I was gone for 10 days and it ran out of water, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if any of these are going to make it back again. Oh no, so sad. I mean, this still had a little bit of green on it. I don't know. This side here, the lettuce, kind of looks some of it looks okay. Might be salvageable when I put some more water in it. We'll see. Oh no. Let's see how the sprouts look over here. Oh no, so sad. But whatever, I had fun time. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got some strawberries, and snap peas are not doing much of anything. Cucumbers are doing good, so I can plant those, I guess. Some of them. One of them looks dead. That one there looks kind of dead. Let's see, what's this one here? This one's very wet. Butter crunch lettuce. So it's like I can plant that at least. Get some of those going. What do we got here? We got some strawberries, and we do have some strawberries starting to sprout. I don't know, for 10 days you'd think they would have done something more than that. And then, what's in this last one? Can't even remember what I have in here. But whatever it is, isn't doing anything. I guess these are strawberries too. These aren't doing anything. So, we got a few strawberries we can salvage. We got some lettuce, and definitely some cucumbers. But I'm not sure what happened with these snap peas. I have one snap pea that I planted that seems to still be alive a little bit right there. So, oh well, I'll get to work on fixing these up and give it some water. The outside one seems to be doing pretty good though. I think these are flowers or tomatoes. I don't know which is which. I think the fuzzy one I think is tomatoes here. This one's tomatoes. And then those are some other flowers all in that same little planter. But that one seems to be doing good. Maybe somebody watered it. Okay, so I went and replanted again. So I did spinach and flowers in this one here. And you can see I put some vermiculite on top now. I'm trying that instead. This next one here is romaine and Simpson, two different types of lettuce. That back one is snap peas and green beans. And then back here I still have some strawberries, my remaining strawberries. Over here I have my 3 butter crunch, and then I have zucchini. So we'll see what happens with these now. So got a bunch of new stuff going. I refixed up my towers here, so the tomatoes are still kind of dying here. Nothing on the bottom shelf right now. Red peppers, not looking great, but we'll see if they can come back. That one looks okay. Snap peas, it looks like I have one that looks decent. Actually, I don't even think I planted any other ones. I think everything else kind of died. This one here's just not doing anything. Cucumber, got a few little greens in there that I planted, so we'll see how these do. There's nothing in the strawberry. Can't remember what that one is. Oh, it's red pepper. We still have one red pepper up there. And then these are carrots up here. The carrots looking yucky, but we'll see if they can come back. On this other tower, this is not flowers, even though it says that it's butter crunch, so I put some butter crunch in those top ones. I have one spinach still going here. Got a few new butter crunches down here I put in. There's only one romaine remaining here in this one here. I cleaned up most of the leaves. Looks like this one here is still kind of yucky. I'll take that one off. So trying to make everything look good again. So this one here is my Simpson lettuce. So those are pretty decent looking. Got a few dead ends on this one here. I'll probably do a little bit more pruning here on this one. And then the butter down there and nothing down there. So kind of a little sad looking stuff here, but things will hopefully come back soon and we'll see what happens.